Hello everyone, welcome to online lecture series on functions of several variables. This is lecture number 23. In this lecture, I will explain applications of partial differentiation. Previous class, I will explain one application, maximum and minimum of functions of several variables. One more application, errors and approximations. This is very important application. Okay, right. Let f of x comma y be a continuous function, of x and y, be a continuous function of x and y. If delta x and delta x and delta y be the increments of x and y. Okay, so delta x and delta y be the increments of x and y, then the new value of f of x comma y will be f of x plus delta x comma y plus delta y, right? Hence delta f is equal to, f means x comma y, f of x comma is equal to f of x plus delta x comma y plus delta y minus f of x comma y. So delta f is equal to f of x plus delta x comma y plus delta y minus f of x comma y. This is equation number 1. For example, let y is equal to f of x. This is single variable function. Okay, so delta x is a small error in x. Delta y is a small error in y. Then y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x. Okay, right. Then delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus y. Okay, so delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus y. Then delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus what is y? Y means f of x, right? Now finally delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay, in the same, two variables can be written as delta f is equal to f of x plus delta x comma y plus delta y minus f of x comma y, right? So in this function, expanding by using Taylor series, expanding f of x plus delta x comma y plus delta y by Taylor's theorem. Okay, right. Now f of x plus delta x comma y plus delta y is equal to, by Taylor's theorem, f of x comma y plus delta x into dou f by dou x plus delta y into dou f by dou y plus next one. Okay, right. Here delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. This is single variable, right? Now next, 1 by 2 factorial into delta x into dou f by dou x plus delta y into dou f by dou y whole square plus so on. So this is the by using Taylor series, expansion of this function is equal to f of x comma y plus delta x into dou f by dou x plus delta y into dou f by dou y plus 1 by 2 factorial delta x into dou f by dou x plus delta y into dou f by dou y. Okay, right. Now supposing delta x comma delta y to be so small, okay, delta x and delta y to be so small that products comma squares and higher powers can be neglected. Okay, we get okay, here delta x and delta y to be so small, so the products squares and higher powers can be neglected. Then f of, then write down here, this is delta x, f of x plus delta x comma y plus delta y is equal to f of x comma y plus dou f by dou x into delta x plus dou f by dou y into delta y, right? So neglecting products and squares and higher powers. Okay, then this is equation number 2. Now substituting equation 2 in equation 1, right? Then equation 1, delta f is equal to, what is this value? This one, f of x comma y plus dou f by dou x into delta x plus dou f by dou y into delta y minus. So this value is this one by equation 2, f of x comma y plus dou f by dou x into delta x plus dou f by dou y into delta y minus here f of x comma y, right? Then now finally delta f is equal to f of x comma y cancel. Okay, now finally dou f by dou x into delta x plus dou f by dou y into delta y. Okay, right. So finally delta f is equal to dou f by dou x into delta x plus dou f by dou y into delta y approximately. Okay, right. So finally the delta f is equal to dou f by dou x into delta x plus dou f by dou y into delta y. Okay, so this is the two variables formula by approximately. Similarly if F is a continuous function of several variables. Continuous function of several variables. That means x comma y comma z comma t so on. Okay. Then delta f is equal to dou f by dou x into delta x plus dou f by dou y into delta y plus dou f by dou z into delta z plus dou f by dou f by dou t into delta t plus so on. Okay, approximately. Okay, right. Finally, here f is a continuous function of several variables x comma y comma z comma t so on. Then delta f is equal to dou f by dou x into delta x plus dou f by dou y into delta y plus dou f by dou z into delta z plus dou f by dou t into delta t and so on approximately. So now these formula are very useful in correcting the effect of small errors in measured quantities. Okay. Now finally, these formula are very useful in correcting the effect of a small errors in measured quantities. Okay. So this is the errors and approximations formulas. Okay. Now I will start problems. Problem number 1. The diameter and altitude of a can in the shape of a right circular cylinder are measured as 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. The possible error in each measurement is 0.1 centimeters. Find approximately the maximum possible error in the values computed for the volume and the lateral surface. Okay. Now the solution is, for example, this is a tank, right? This diameter is x. Okay, right? Next, this is height of the cylinder. So right circular cylinder. So what is its volume? Pi by 4 x square y. What is the lateral surface? S is equal to pi into xy. Right? Now let x be the diameter and y be the height of a can. Then its volume is V is equal to pi by 4 x square y. Okay, right. Now by errors and approximations, delta V is equal to dou V by dou x into delta x plus dou v by dou y into delta y. Right? Here what is dou v by dou x? Dou v by dou x is equal to, here with respect to x, this one, then pi by 4 into x square derivative 2x into y constant. Okay? With respect to x. Then what is with respect to y? Dou v by dou y is equal to pi by 4 into, with respect to y, x square constant, y derivative 1. So finally dou v by dou x is equal to pi by, sorry, this is pi by 4. Pi by 4 2xy. Dou v by dou y is equal to pi by 4 x square. Okay? Right. Now delta v is equal to, what is dou v by dou x? Pi by 4 2xy into delta x. What is dou v by dou y? Pi by 4 x square into delta y. Right. Next delta v is equal to pi by 4 into 2xy delta x plus x square delta y. Okay? Now, so what is the values of x 4 centimeters, y 6 centimeters, and delta x is equal to delta y 0.1 centimeters. Okay? Now substitute these values in the above. Delta v is equal to pi by 4 into 2 into, what is x? 4. What is y? 6. 4 into 6 into, what is delta x? Delta x is equal to delta y equal to 0.1 centimeters plus 4 x into 4 whole square into 0.1 into centimeter cube. Here 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 0.1 centimeters. Finally centimeter cube. Here also centimeter square into centimeter cube. Okay? Right. So delta v is equal to pi by 4 into, what is this one? 48 into 0.1 plus 16 into 0.1 centimeter cube. Okay? Right. Now delta v is equal to pi by 4 into 64 by 10 centimeter cube. 48 into 48 plus 16, 64. So here 0.1. Here also 0.1. So 1 by, so 64 by 10. Okay? Right. So that is equal to 2 32s, 2 5s, 4 8s. Okay? Finally pi into 8 by 5 centimeters cube. Finally 1.6 into 5 centimeter cube. Okay? Now finally pi into 1.6 centimeter cube. This is delta v. Okay? So this is the delta v. Okay? Right. Next one. Also we have to find out also the lateral surface. The lateral surface is S is equal to pi xy. S is equal to pi xy. Then what is delta s? Delta s is equal to dou s by dou x into delta x plus dou s by dou y into delta y. Okay, right. So what is dou s by dou x with respect to x? Here pi constant, pi y. Next, delta s dou s by dou y with respect to y. Here x constant, so pi into x. Right. So here with respect to x, pi y constant, x derivative 1. With respect to y, pi x constant, y derivative 1. So finally dou s by dou x equal to pi y, comma dou s by dou y equal to pi x. Right? So right. Now substitute these values. Delta s is equal to, what is this value? Pi y into delta x plus pi x into delta y. So what is these values? Here when x equal to 4 centimeters, comma y equal to 6 centimeters, comma delta x equal to delta y equal to 0.1 centimeters. Right, then delta x is equal to pi into, what is y? 6. Next, what is this one? 0.1 plus pi into, what is x? 4. What is this one? 0.1 into centimeters square. Here 6 centimeters, 0.1 centimeters. Finally centimeter square. Here also centimeter square. Okay, right. Now delta x is equal to pi into this one 6 plus 4 10 into 0.1 centimeter square. Now finally pi into 10 by 10 into centimeter square. So now finally delta s is equal to pi centimeter square. Right? So this is the approximate maximum possible error values of the volume delta V is equal to 1.6 into pi centimeter cube, and the lateral surface is delta s is equal to pi centimeter square. Okay, right? Can you understand? Okay, right. Thank you.